how to check battery health, battery report of your laptop in Windows 10 and Windows 11 either. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command as shown on a screen, power cfg/battery report. Paste it in command prompt Windows after blinking cursor and press enter. Here you will see a file path. See Windows System 32 battery report HTML file battery life report saved to file path. Then go to File Explorer, type bin plus E shortcut key to open File Explorer. Go to C drive, Windows System 32, look for System 32. Here look for battery report HTML file. Look for battery report HTML file. Battery report HTML file. Apply a double click on it to open. And here is your battery report. A detailed battery report, battery health report is here. Recent uses, battery uses, usage history, battery capacity, battery life estimates. All your battery related information will visible here. That's all.